stocks, this is one stock which is going up with formation of long positions. What are you seeing on charts to generate a buy call?
So yes, Siddharth, I think 3 days of continuous price uptrend on the back of some increased volume. So volumes yesterday may not be on the higher side, but the last 2 days before that, I think the volumes are pretty high. So the trajectory now seems to be set for SBI on the upside. And yesterday also it was just about on the verge of breaking this 100-day moving average. So I think it just about closed at those 268, 269 levels where the average is. And I believe that post the breakout of this average, you could see the stock gaining some more price uptrend. So that's a buy. 276 as a target on SBI. Stop loss at 263.
Dr. Nayan, in this mid-cap correction, a lot of quality mid-caps or I can say that which was market's favorite mid-cap stocks, especially from infrastructure space, also corrected substantially, like NCC, NBCC. We are seeing a strong bounce back which is taking place in NCC. NBCC has just started showing some signs of bouncing. You think NBCC can replicate what NCC is doing?
Well, I don't know about replication, Siddharth, but I think NBCC's chart by itself is indicating that perhaps the declining portion of the stock's move may be done, because we had a pretty long and sustained decline in which price damage has also been substantial. Prices have not got pushed beneath 100 rupees also. And with this fall, the prices come down to levels of former swing low support zone. So ideally it should start rallying, and yesterday's price action certainly is indicative, because the day prior to that it had formed a pattern of a doji, which when it comes at the foot of a long decline is usually an indicator of easing of the selling pressure, and when followed up with a positive candle as it did yesterday, I think the stock is indicating that it is in a mood to rally. Now there is substantial amount of room to cover on the upside, so we can make for a multi-day price target around 120, which is why I am featuring it under positional play, and I would go long with a stop loss south of 90 rupees.
And Manas, Street was not very impressed with Bharat Forge numbers, and Tuesday and Thursday volumes were very high as stock came down. There was some consolidation on Wednesday's session. You feel that Bharat Forge has further downside from current levels, but I just want to ask, because stock is in such an oversold zone, is this a positional trade or you're just playing on momentum?
See, I think this is a positional trade, because here the trend has changed, because stock has broken the neckline of head and shoulder pattern. The stock has slipped below its 200-day moving average, and the target of head and shoulder pattern comes near to 575. So even from current levels, I think you can see almost 70 to 80 rupees downside in Bharat Forge. So positionally, definitely one can create short position here. Keep your stop loss above 662. So the short-term target comes near to 605.
Those are insights coming in from Technical Guests.